Thanks for watching CyberGeek. Press the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon to get notified. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna upgrade my laptop and clean my laptop, and in this video I'll tell the problems you may face while doing these activities. So let's get straight into the video without wasting the time. Yeah, for this activity you need 99.9% isopropyl alcohol, a paste,
Dant Kanti Advance, Herbal Toothpaste व मंजन.
No, not this Patanjali paste, a thermal paste, tweezers, a pair of screwdrivers, a Fevikwik if something minor damage happens, a cloth for cleaning old thermal compound, a sharp edged tool. Spread the cloth on the table to avoid scratches on your laptop and disassemble the laptop as shown in the video. Use multiple cups like this to securely store the screws, or you can use these types of box to store.
Girls with their nails done.
While removing the keyboard, be very careful because the laptop keyboards are very sensitive and fragile, and use a sharp tool to remove the keyboard as shown in the photo. And unscrew the screws behind the keyboard. Depending on your laptop, there may be different procedure, so be very careful. Use a sharp tool as shown in the photo. Remove the outer cover of the laptop and make sure you do it very gently, and don't put the tool too deeply so that it damages the components.
Nails done. Girls with their nails done.
If you are using cups like me, then make sure to name them so you won't mix it. Remove the motherboard screws and all the connection connected to the motherboard. I am removing the display because it may get scratches, and to remove the outer cover also. Remove the 3 screws of CPU cooler and make sure to remove the CPU cooler connection from the motherboard as shown in the photo. After removing, take a cloth and apply isopropyl alcohol, or if you don't have, you can also use nail polish remover, and it is also a good chemical for cleaning components like this. Please watch the video given in the description for more information. If the thermal paste is very dried and not removed by good cloth, you can use a sharp edged tool, but make sure you do it very gently, because a minor damage can malfunction or may not work. Put 2 to 3 drops of isopropyl alcohol or nail polish remover on the CPU cooler, because there are no such components which may affect. Clean the fan using the brush or your wrench. You can also use compressed air for cleaning.
Ain't no love like a real love, but it goes so fast, all tied up.
Now take new thermal paste. Links are in the description. If you want to buy, you can buy, and apply 2 to 3 drops. Make sure you don't put it excessively, because after putting the CPU cooler it spreads, and excessive may kill the motherboard and spread using a cardboard or a book cover.
I've been longer, you're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer, you're making me stronger, making me stronger.
After applying, align the CPU cooler and tighten the screw gently, and make sure you reconnect the CPU cooler wire. Clean the motherboard gently with brush, or as I said, if you are rich, you can use compressed air. Clean the outer cover using dry cloth for a small area. If you can, use ear cleaner or earbuds. As you know, I am very lazy, so I use a brush and apply some drops on the cloth and brush as shown in the video.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach.
After cleaning, align the motherboard and screw it, and reconnect all the connections correctly.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Shh. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption, breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just picking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Counting like the 4-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
After doing everything, I tried to boot it up, but the light was blinking rapidly and the screen was not turning on. So I thought it is verifying the hardwares, so I left it for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, it not booted, so I nearly got what the problem is. So I removed the RAM and I cleaned the RAM's golden pin with a dry cloth, and then also it not booted. So I removed the keyboard and reinstalled it very correctly, and voila, it booted up. The moral of the story here is small misconnections can make a big problem, so please be very careful while dealing with electronic products. After booting up, I tried to upgrade my software, but I failed thrice and wasted nearly 10 to 11 GB. So I downloaded the Windows 10 ISO file and made a bootable pen drive, and I successfully upgraded my Windows 8.1 to Windows 10. So this is how you need to upgrade or clean your laptop. If this video helped you a little bit, then you know what to do. Like and share the video and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.